Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I will show you the currency from Gambia. Gambia is the country in West Africa, and the currency is called Gambian Dalasi. It is a beautiful $5, which was the issue of 2015, and this is the front side of this note. And on the middle, which is represent a kingfisher, is sitting, and it is the picture of the president. Here is the president Abdul Aziz from 1994 to 2017. Here is mentioned $5, and it was the backside. Backside also represent $5, and here is mentioned the agriculture system with some farmers' lands and some cattle in the center. On the top here is mentioned here Central Bank of the Gambia, and its size is 132 millimeter. This side 132 millimeter. This side is 69 millimeter. And I have another $5, which was the issue of 2006 to 2013. It is the issue of 2006 to 2013, and it is the front side. Front side represent on the top. Here is a beautiful baby from Gambia, and it is the picture of a bird represent here. It was the front side. On the top here is mentioned Central Bank of the Gambia, and it was the back side. The back side was same as the previous one, which represent the agriculture system with some farmer cattle and some palm trees. I have another $5. It is the last one. It was the issue of 2019, and this is the front side. Front side represent a picture of a bird on the top, and on the top here is mentioned here Central Bank of the Gambia. It is the front side of this note, and the back side represent the agriculture system of the country, which is also same as the previous two. And on the top it is mentioned here Central Bank of the Gambia. Here is the small logo of two birds. I have a beautiful $10, which was the issue of 2019. This is the front side. Front side here is represent two birds sitting, and on the top it is mentioned here Central Bank of the Gambia. It was the front side of this note, and it is the coat of arms, which is mentioned here, coat of arms of the nation. And here is also the logo of two birds, and this is the back side of this note. On the top here is mentioned here Central Bank of Gambia, and it is a ferry. It is a ferry in the river, and its size is 127 millimeter. This side is 127 millimeter. This side is 63 millimeter. I have a last $20. Sorry, I have a last $10, which was the issue of 2006 to 2013. On the top it is mentioned here Central Bank of the Gambia, and it is the picture of a beautiful baby of the nation, and it is the bird, picture of a bird, and the behind some picture of leaves and trees. It was the front side of this note, and it is the back side of this note. Back side represent the picture of this Central Bank of Gambia, and it is the logo of Central Bank of the Gambia, and it is the picture of Central Bank of Gambia. And here is mentioned $10. Its size is 139 millimeter. This side, and this side is 72 millimeter. Finally, I have a last $20, which was the issue of 2019. It is the front side of this note, which is represent a beautiful bird, two birds, and it is the logo of Central Bank of Gambia, and it is the coat of arms, which is mentioned here. And this is the back side of this note. Backside represent the person, a man with a milling machine. He is doing his work. And on the top here is mentioned here Central Bank of the Gambia. Its size is 127 millimeter this side, and this side is 63 millimeter. Finally, I have those beautiful banknotes from Gambia in my collection.